fourth grade friends. Hopefully you've watched the video on how to turn shapes into forms, and now you are watching the video on how to make an impossible stack. So you'll need some colored paper. So I've got this paper where I've glued a piece of orange paper on top of a piece of red paper. And then I have another piece of colored paper. Now, if you don't have colored paper, you can just use white paper and you can color it yourself. So you're going to start by making a few different shapes into forms. You can make up to 10, but I'd say probably no fewer than 4. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle. I'm going to draw a pyramid. It doesn't really matter where you put them on the page because you're going to be cutting them out afterwards. I'm going to draw a smaller pyramid. And I'm going to draw a cube. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a black crayon and I am going to add value to them. Now that I've added my value, I am going to cut them out and glue them to my background paper. However, before I do that, I'm just going to put a little bit of value along the edge of this orange table or floor, however you want to think about it. Get a little bit lighter as you go. And then I'm going to cut out and glue my pieces. Hopefully you noticed that when I placed my forms onto my background, all of the different values matched up. So all of the lighter values are on the same side and all of the darker values are on the same side. The last thing that you can do is add a little bit of shadow on the ground underneath your stack. So you've got a little bit of a cast shadow here to make things look even more three-dimensional. Have fun, everybody. Can't wait to see what you create.